Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions exercise 6.2 in that fourth problem. That is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? Isn't it? In this arithmetic progression, for which term we will get 78? We need to find. Isn't it? So here, if you are going to find for which number we will get in this arithmetic progression is 78. Indirectly they are asking find nth term. So here they are asking which term will be the 78 in this arithmetic progression. Means we need to find nth term for this. Here n is nothing but we need to find. See here. First given AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on they have given. For which term we will get 78. So this is nothing but 78 is nothing but nth term. Now A is equal to 3 first term. Next this is AP only. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2 here? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So first term A is equal to 3. Common difference D is equal to 5. But in the problem, which term of the AP is 78? So here we need to find nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term or general term of AP. So here they have given nth term, that is 78. So we need to find number of terms and then we can say which term is 78. So in place of we need to take 78. First one, A is 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference D is 5. So here 78 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 5 into n, 5n, plus into minus, minus 1 into 5, 5. So 3 minus 5, minus 2. So this can be written as 5n is equal to 78 plus 2. Now 5n is equal to 80. So n is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 16s are. So n is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term of this arithmetic progression is 78. Which term of the arithmetic progression is 78 means 16th term. Here n is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term of AP is 78. Therefore, 16th term of given AP is given AP, given arithmetic progression is 78. Now we are going to do fifth problem. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. In that first one is 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. For this arithmetic progression, we need to find number of terms. So if you are going to find number of terms also, we need to use general formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for that, first term a, that is 7. So here given arithmetic progression, given AP is 7 comma 13 comma 7 comma 13 comma 19 and so on 205. So here first term a is equal to 7. Next, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. At that time here we are getting 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Next, we need to find number of terms in the AP. So here, if you are going to find number of terms, we need to use general formula. That is, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is nothing but last term of arithmetic progression. That is, nth term of arithmetic progression. That is here 205. So 205 is equal to A plus, A value is here 7 plus N minus 1 into common difference D. So this can be written as, for our convenience, 7 plus 6 into N, 6N plus into minus 1 into 6, 6 is equal to 205. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 means plus 1. So here 6N plus 1 is equal to 205. Then 6N is equal to 205 minus 1. So 6N is equal to 204. Then N is equal to 204 by 6. 6 ones are, 6 threes are. After that, here we will get 24. So 6 fours are. Therefore, N is equal to 34. N is equal to 34. Then number of terms in this arithmetic progression, in the given arithmetic progression is 34. So therefore number of terms in a given AP is equal to 34. Okay, in the fifth problem, second one, 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and so on, minus 47. In this arithmetic progression, we need to find number of terms. So first of all, if you are going to find number of terms, we need to use general formula or nth formula, that is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Because here we know last term and first term also. By using this, we can find a number of terms. So here, given arithmetic progression, given arithmetic progression, AP is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and so on, minus 47. Now, first one, A is equal to 18. Next, we need to find common difference. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1. So, what is the value of common difference A2? 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. Now, its value, 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. Now, take LCM. When you take LCM, you will get 2. So here 31 minus 18 2s 36. So minus 5 by 2 is the common difference D. D is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now in this problem they are asking find the number of terms. So here AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula to find nth term. So here nth term is minus 47. First term A is 18. Common difference D is minus 5 by 2. By using that we can find a number of terms. So here AN is minus 47 is equal to A value is 18 plus N minus 1. So N minus 1 into common difference D, that is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So here this can be written as, for our convenience, like this. See, first we will write minus 47 is equal to, take LCM, that is 2. At that time we will get 18 2s 36 plus n minus 1 into minus 5. So once again this can be written as minus 47 is equal to 36 plus into minus minus 5n minus into minus plus 5 divided by 2. So here 2 is dividing, before is equal, it will multiply to the minus 47. So here minus 47 into 2 minus 94 is equal to 36 plus 5, 41 minus 5n. So here we can write this one as minus 5n is equal to minus 94 minus 41. So minus 5n is equal to minus 135. 94 plus 41. See here, 94, 41, 135. Now minus minus gets cancelled. So n is equal to 135 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 sevens are. Therefore, number of terms in a given AP are 27.